All right. Abusafo, what them say? The case now between Hawa K00ms0n and Naa Koryoo ewo kaswa issue no. Abusafo, what them say? Up to now, me no can say. Nkofo na mami we esanjina so ebra the interior minister Eba Bontin be catch the Ghanafuo say there was nothing like that. Mami we sambe ye press conference with the NDC evil MPs bimu. Esa catch the Ghanafuo say this thing actually happened. Abusafo. And una Ghanaians ebisa question. Me say if this thing really happen, nkofo na omewu no body ne ewe hefa. Abusafo, aha ye Ghana Asem TV. You must stress and subscribe to the channel before my doing chebra our comment section. Abusafo, enti Ghanafuo bisa say if Naa Koryoo is telling Ghanaians say this situation is see Ebra interior minister be catching Ghanafuo say there was nothing like that. Where are the people that were shot? Nkofo na ye bomb mutuo no. Omo we he. Omo families were he. And then up to now, Obi also Babonti be catching Ghanafuo say these things happen. And say I am passe. The shot people on number trouble the Facebook war say they shot two of his agents Omewu. Abusafo, ye say where are the dead bodies of these people? Now she's a legend. What's up be yehu press conference? Abusafo, they be a catch say the NDC party, they are so evil. They are so much evil because say interior minister they be question say and then the member interior minister where NDC the member Bontian be catch the Ghanafuo say something like this did happen. And then this same woman will come out again and catch her and go for say they be what muta kabeka and throw. Abusafo Ghanafuo ebisa question. Na ene ewo Asem FM ewusia enye easy umaye nkona enkotie isema omu raise ene na yambra na yaba yebeto aso ya be shira gina abanya ni nkofo ni bi no kasama ne try government yes ebroso onu kasa yo papa na no me hwe sam do video in some way, that professor body when people talk loosely like that and they are allowed to go scot-free, system I build it. All said the MP for Castle on the patch Ghanafuo on par not a parliament. So it is now an encouragement to anybody vying for such positions, no, to frame people up, and nothing will happen in this country. We can do a video, ni interviews ni bio. I think he alleged said ni pana no see omo wumi police for the bodies no way. That is why I'm saying that Obi. What is convenient for an individual or group of people today is so detrimental to the country as a whole. And the Ghana Police Service has not. Anything room for selectivity. People are always worried. Say, I didn't think as I buy was what. Why should it be so? No, but we have to demand. If the Ghana Police Service is quiet on this, then they should bring the bodies. Why should it be so? A member of Parliament, the allegation is a department in the woo. Ghana Police Service officers and the far bodies. Why should it be so? Where are the bodies? Because we cannot encourage this in public service. No. You can't just make allegations, throw allegations about just to make your competitor unpopular. Now what you're winning, what's your winning position? You turn around, go before a technical committee. No, I can say, and everything goes normal. Why should it be so? The Ghana Police Service. Why should it be so? Please, yes, some of our bodies, me, no. Why should it be so? Where are the bodies? And where some of our bodies be? Issue a statement today. Exactly. Issue a statement today. It will be the meme. I'm issue a statement for you. Basar. Tells you. Oh. It will be not no conjure say if it had been an MPP MP and I find this back out say Asem as of that time yes. Obi na office and Why are we treating ourselves like that? We say the security agencies. application of the law and justice, no. Yeah, sometimes you give room for suspicion and questions. So me te August House pa me say me mani tua e ko nipa mienu. Approach for me fire. You see your future generation. Into me di na chi na koye campaign. An waka we yin achi. An ya nya ne hwe. An ene na me sha no the next level. An ko the next level. Na me be join position na. Me go ka no kre. No, it's not going to work out. So that's the country we are building.
Everyone say, let's make power.
That's the country we are building.
Hey, but how do you go to that level?
That's the country we are building.
Nipewu, police one have bodies. That's
the country we are building.
Very well said,
no. It is Ukrainian obi. Mesre. Maybe you don't know Obi now, maybe I own Dominic now, unim Chumune, Benghazi. You don't know them. Say over Trana, why they what can you massa, Obi Sana, what for when dinner Kosaka can. That be Obia down Obia. Have this in mind that the Ghana we want to build, you know, stepping on toes genuinely will happen.
Yes.
A believe that so mentality because it's our party way, any pass on the way, creating me Casada. It's we Namoko Pentecost.
Can you
we Namoko Apostolic Empowerment?
Can you imagine?
That is the kind of politics I have built this is.
So if said Naa Koryoo catch the Ghanafuo say. Say Naa Koryoo catch the Ghanafuo say what the interior minister catch you know or chantoa. And yeah, what is the Ghana Police Service doing? What is Ghana Police waiting for? Why can't Ghana Police give us the proof? Have they not investigated? Omanya investigation bia. And then ekoso ni pana mewu no omo body we hin. Nkofuna Naa Koryoo claim say yesu to omo no omo families we hin. Where they should come out and tell Ghanaians say this thing actually happened. We want to know. They shouldn't just keep quiet. I didn't know by day. I said I say Yaka Asem from last week Nana. This week we are and this woman is still walking free. This woman and to me apologize to Ghanaians. And the ya boy and Gusu. I said she see Abushia, if this is how we want to run this country there. And the bad time say a sitting member of parliament. Ebe to me the way. Even the speaker of parliament couldn't call her out. And we sit down and we think everything is okay. Say ya tenasi ashehain and what this woman walked free for deceiving Ghanaians, for telling lies to us. You know? Actually say you are telling the youth now Mubana say then the politics now you know you can also do it the same way and nothing will happen. But if we call this woman to book, and we held her responsible for her action, and best serving the rest of the people say, but you people who are quiet, is this the resetting? And you people promise the people of Ghana. Is this the resetting now? President John Dramani Mahama who promising Ghanafuo. And that's a resetting now. It's just for the people of the NPP. But when your people go wrong, for them they can walk free. But I see what NPP would you have mouth to talk. The interior minister in question is an NDC member, not an NPP person. Yebeka say bia or your propaganda be. So what is the case right now? Why is it hard for the NDC people, for the Speaker of Parliament, for Ghana Police Service, for the IGP should come out and show us the body now or catch mami we catch say because this woman and Yasaku Kudono a press conference NDC for NDC MPs back in. Who are they trying to please and who are they trying to fool? Who is telling the truth and who is lying? We must get to the bottom of this. And in the end, I will say who, whatever that is happening, I will say who. We want to know the people that were dead, people that were shot. Go for our family, we want to know.